Good evening and welcome to this class. I'll be teaching you how to create a pivot table in one sheet. So you add two sheets or one sheet. I'll be adding two sheets here because I want to create a dashboard. So I'll be naming it dash one, and the other one I'll be naming it pivot pivot one. Okay, so all that I'll be doing, I'll be creating it. I'll be using this pivot ones to create the table. I already have a data set, and the data set is in spreadsheet here. So all I need to do is, if I want to create a pivot table, I'll click on any data set here, come to insert, click on pivot table, and this is the name of the entire table. So I'll click on existing worksheet and click on this arrow here. It will take you to, you can now click one, click on any cell that you want to create. I always like to start my creation from cell C3 because if I have an heading for my pivot table, I'll be able to label it, okay? So you now click on OK. Now let's assume that I want to know determine the number of buyers for a particular year. I'll click on my year, click on my buyer, I'll bring it to the row side, and I'll bring my Naira. I'll bring my sales to this particular side. Okay, so we can see the highest buyer for a particular year. And if I don't want the buyer, I can just take it off. This is the whole of the buyer, okay, for for the entire project. Now I want to create another one. I'll go back to my data set. Please take notes. I'll go back to my data set. Click on any cell in the table. Click on insert. Then click on pivot. It's asking me the same question on an existing file. Click on this arrow. Go back to pivot one. Click on this cell. That is cell I3. I'll go back to the main dialog, and that is it. So this time around, let's assume that I want to create days. Let's create days, and you drag down this day and the cells. Okay, you can see it there. So let me create the last one. Okay, let me create the last one. Here, click on any data cell, click on any cell in your worksheet, okay, in your data set. Then go back to pivot and click on existing. I want to create it in an existing file, and that file is pivot. I want to create in an existing cell worksheet, pivot N3. I click on it, and I click on this arrow back, and I click OK. And you can see that it has created. So I can now say stop. How many stop? Drop is there. Yeah. Sales. You can see. So that is it. You can create number of years. You can add our months. You can add our years too if you want. So that is that. It's for 2016. Then if you want to sort from the highest to the smallest, you can come here, click on right click on the cell, right click on the cell, and sort from the largest to the smallest. You can see how it has transformed it. And note that And see, you can change this to currency. Change this cell to currency for uniformity. Okay, if you don't want that, you can undo and use this. So that is it. Please let me know if you have any other question in my